or possible po ba, sir?
The state, the
Sorry po,
state
maingay po.
has the power to neglect
Opo, the
the decision
and
of the
change
majority.
the decision of the majority. Kasi po, sir, nasabi mo po kanina, sir, na once na yung majority ay nag-decide na ganito nga, di ba, sabi mo, sir, una po is, kung ano po yung napag-desisyonan ng majority is yun po ang susundin ng state. Pero na follow up mo po ito ng kahit ano po ang gawin nyo, ganon,
Kahit
the
anong ano?
state of the last say po. Parang
Kahit
ganon.
ano? Ano yun? Kahit ano?
Kahit ano po yung gawin ng people po, sir, is yun pa rin po, ang state pa rin po in my last say po sa decision. So, does the state has the power po to neglect and change the decision of the majority?
Yung estado na kayang i-neglect ang desisyon ng majority, talagang ano yan, talagang possible yan gawin kasi nga sabi ko nga baga ano, the military as one of the elite in the society, okay, elite in the society, is very much powerful, okay, very much powerful to control, okay. Kaya kung gugustuhin talaga ng isang estado through the leadership of, sabihin natin kung sino man yan na, diba, you call it president, prime minister, like that, they can do that even with the aid only of the military as one of the elite. Okay, it is still possible, ano, possible talaga yung gawin, ano, na pwedeng gawin yan, ano, ng estado sa majority, but it is should I say, it could be a rare instance that could happen, but yung possibility that could be done, it could, okay. Kasi nga ba class, minsan class, ano, yung leader kahit paano ng isang country, kung ganito ang gusto niya mangyari, okay, then that could be made possible, but with the support of the elite in the society, and this is the military, diba? Yan, kaya very important talaga yung role ng military. In fact, even the military, if they will it, kahit sinong president na nakaupo dyan or prime minister, if they want to overthrow any system of government, they can do that because they have the means, diba? They have the means, okay. When we go to elite theory, we will pound on it, okay, we will pound on it. Nagkataon lang na yung, say, if you are going to compare our system of government to other forms of government, quite ano tayo, quite lucky. Bakit? Because kahit pa paano, our right is recognized, diba? That's why we enjoy our right, since we are a democratic country. We give also premium to our right that should be recognized, diba? But that right, I tell you, because of that system of government, democratic, is derived from ano yan, from our so-called political right, which is recognized by the state then, diba? Had we a different form of or system of government, walang right mo ang pag-usapan dito, diba? It's not your interest na pag-usapan dito, it's the interest of the state, diba? Nagkataon lang na tayo ay democratic, diba? Democratic country. Ba? That's why yung interest din ng tao kino-consider. You see? Yes, democracy is democracy. You have the right, the state also have the right. Diba? But since you have the right, then the state also have the right. But that right of the state or power of the state is somehow limited by our right because we are democratic. But it does not mean that just because we limit their right, we also have the power to abuse our right. No. Balance yon. Ano? Balance yun. Balance. But like what I've said, which you will realize in the end, na regardless of the form of government that we have, democratic man or whatsoever, okay, you will realize that the state really has the power, to provide directions, to regulate our conduct, our conduct, diba? It is true that we are the one who make up society, state, okay? We make up our state, our own state for our self-government, diba? Masyado akong napalayo, pero connected siya sa sa discuss ko sana. Anyway, i-shorten ko na lang, diba? May Okay. It has something to do with the origin of the state or the formation of the state, Um, yung idea ng estado na develop siya, okay? Sige, paano ba yan? Remember yung mga primitive societies wherein there is a leader baga ngaya, chieftain or dato, like that, mga primitive societies. Sometimes scholars would ask or argue whether or not primitive societies have government, whether or not primitive societies have laws, diba? But never do they ask a question whether ano yan, whether primitive societies or early societies, kumbaga, ano yan, whether they have certain rules, ano yan, there are rules of some kind that somehow recognized as means of settling disputes, di ba? So, yun ang tanong. Now, if you will see class, yung primitive societies, meron sila actually tinatawag nating minimal politics and minimal government. Di ba? Minimal politics or minimal government. So, ano ba yung minimal politics? It is the existence of recognized means of settling disputes, di ba? And minimal government, kasi nga, kumbaga sabi nga dito, in minimal government, there is leadership, there emerges leadership positions, whether individual or collective. Diba? So, leadership positions, individual or collective for a particular purpose. So, sa primitive societies class, meron na actually minimal politics, minimal government, and they have some kind of rules, okay, which they think need to be followed. Okay? So, kung origin or creation ng estado, doon siya pwedeng i-anchor as described by, diba, yung mga anthropologists baga, describe yung politics nila noon, na yung politics noon sa primitive societies, diba, yung observation is, the politics is concerned with the maintenance, okay? Maintenance of or establishment of social order and the control and regulation and the use of force. Take note ha, ang yung observation ng anthropologist, politics, concerned with the maintenance or establishment of social order and the control and regulation of the use of force. Okay? Now, yung description pa lang ng politics na yan, yung politics alone, is strong enough, class, if we are going to anchor it to the society, to the state. Diba? The state. Take note ha, and the regulation of the use of force. Regulation of the use of force. Pagdating sa power, class, in relation to the state, doon papasok yung Weberian concept of power. Diba? Power. The exercise of power even against your will. Weberian power. Diba? Kaya yung sinasabi ko baga, pag ginasto niya ng Estado, even if it is against your will, masunod ka. Diba? Kaya, sabi ko, ulitin ko, it is your understanding of the state that would matter a lot. Okay? And the rest will just follow. So, if you want to understand human behavior as far as political behavior is concerned, you have to see the connection of the individual's relationship to the state, and you have to analyze politics, okay, politics within that societal context, diba? Masyadong ano siya masyado siyang, should I say, malawak or complicated, but as we go on, you will understand fully about that, no? So yan, yung discussion natin masyadong nag-advance. Pero like what I've said, yung mga concepts na yan, pwede nyo nang basahin yan in advance. Yung power, authority, legitimacy, yung mga concepts na yan, elite, pluralist, diba? Marxist, diba? Yung mga concepts na yan, important yan, Kaya yung lalo na yung authorities, authorities, okay, you have to have a full grasp or understanding of it. Okay? So that is a must thing for us to understand. Kasi if some people would ask you to explain or share your thoughts about politics, administration, like this, like that, you could provide some insights on it. Okay? And yung subject niyong political theory is very important. Political theory, kung mabasa niyo ito, much better. Ito, I have 2 books here. Kaya dapat can you see this one? These 2 books. Can you see this?
Yes po.
Okay. I don't know kung isa ito sa identified books ni Madam niyo, no? Pero this is very helpful, ano? Especially when we discuss public opinion, political ideologies. I tell you, itong mga aklat na to, very important yan. Kaya, doon mo rin maintindihan kung bakit in any country class, in any country, merong mga ganito, bakit magulo, ang isang country, bakit masyadong active ang mga tao, bakit active ang mga estudyante, bakit itong sektor hindi, bakit ganito, ganyan, di ba? And on the part of the government, the state especially, bakit ganito yung behavior niyan? Kasi yung ideology ang pinag-usapan. When once ideologies clash together, opposes one another, that brings about, yun nga ang sinasabi natin, kahit paano nagkaroon tayo ng gulo. Di ba? Mahirap, I tell you, mahirap on the part of a person to, should I say, mahirap mabago basta-basta ang kaisipan ng isang tao, especially kung isa lang ang kanyang pinaniniwalaan. Diba? But if the person knows somehow the both sides, diba? Kung ano ito, anong pinanggagalingan niya, anong pinanggagalingan nila, no? Kahit paano, if they could integrate or tailor it or connect it with one another, somehow that will bring unity. But for as long as the interest is against one another, against another's interest, diba? Expect that we will have a should I say not so good political environment if that will be the case. Diba? Sige. Maganda itong aklat. Meron na nitong bagong labas, pero hindi naman binago dito. Ang nabago lang yung book, pinalaki. Sayang nga, sana binili ko na lang yung malaking book nito. Diba? Kung ang ibang readings nyo nga, kinuha ko pa dito, yung ibang readings nyo, kinuha ko sa political philosophy, ano pa. Oo, may mga readings ako na diba meron pa akong isa nga sa mga readings nyo doon is best na yan ako na lang, diba? Basahin nyo yung social contract theory on Thursday. We will not meet on Thursday. Read your social contract theory. When I discuss state formation, yung theories of state formation, isa na doon yung na-mention, social contract theory. A contract between you and the state. Diba? See? Ano? It's already 4:15 and I still have a class. 4 to 5:30. Awara ng boses ko. 9 o'clock pa ako nagkaklase. Wait muna, kuhaan ko daw ang attendance indo. Hi, si John Ray. Si John Ray.
Present po, sir.
Nag-schedule na si Madam Kat mo. Nag-schedule na ng ma-defend. Nag-schedule na si Madam Kat mo ng ma-defend.
Ay, opo, sir.
Na-inform na ka mo? Kung anong means? Means of defense?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, magkamuduman sa defense system na ito. Okay? Okay man?
Okay man po siguro, sir. Kaso po, dito po sa Masbate, siguro magpe-prepare na lang po kami nung power bank in case po na mag-run out or maghina po sa mga internet connection. Siguro extra prepare na lang po siguro.
Ayo. Kung ako talaga gusto ko makutal na face to face. And your Sir Glenn, I think, also wants it to face to face. Lang. But that the dean wants it online. The dean wants it online. So kahit gusto ko si Glenton or some of us, kahit majority pa kami, di ba? Kahit majority pa kami, sinong masusunod? Siya o kami? Di ba? Parang ganun ang estado. Parang ganyan ang state. No matter how majority you are, pag talagang ginusto yung estado, ay patay ka. Susunod at susunod ka. Di ba? You see, but the good thing with us is that we are a democratic country. At least, you enjoy your life. Unlike in some countries, wherein you cannot even own your own house. You cannot even buy your own car. Di ba? Ito nga mas matindi. Kita pa daw. Kahit pa paano, democratic tayo. So, still, we are lucky. Ba? You see, paano yan? We call it an afternoon and namamarong na ang pansit batong linuto ni Madir. Gusto ko man magsaglit munang mag-count. Ayaw pa ako klase. Sige. See you next week. Ano pala si Pau pala, wala absent. So grupo ni Pau. Di ko pa nababasa sa thesis nindo. Yung inguhon ko, I will Ingwaw ko this week. Oo. Kasi ma-depend ba ka mo? Sige. Oo. See you next week. I will just send this, ano yan, mga outline lecture sa Indo. Tipunan ko na lang muna. Yun ha. O, nag-enroll na duman sa, sa Google Classroom.
Yes, sir.
Okay, di ko pa kaya pig-check. Iyon na tabiin ang code na gagamiton ta ha. Itong class code nindo sa Google Classroom, iyon na ang gagamiton nindo pag naga-Google Meet kita. Para hindi na pa iba-iba ng code. Iyon na ito. Sige, bye-bye.
Goodbye, sir.